While quotes should always be what a source said, they don't always have to be exactly how it was said. Now, quotes can be edited for verbal fillers, the like, and other words that we subconsciously insert into our sentences that don't change the overall meaning. Now, maybe this is what our source actually said. Now, printing this quote verbatim makes our source seem a little dumb. So it's okay to edit, again, as long as your edits don't change the overall meaning. Now, if he was writing this out, he wouldn't say like, So those things are things that it's okay to edit. Again, as long as the edits don't change the overall meaning. Beyond verbal fillers, quotes can also be edited for length. Now, here is a tighter version of what our source said. If you're going to take out words, though, use ellipses, these 3 little dots here, to indicate that you've intentionally omitted part of the original quote. Again, as long as you don't alter the original meaning of that quote. And quotes can be edited for clarity. Now, let's assume that your source told you that the we he refers to in his quote is himself and the program's executive director. Now, if you wanted to indicate in that quote who that executive director was, who the we was, you would use brackets to indicate that your source said he and executive director Shaquilla Tyler, but not in those exact words. Again, one more time, only do so if it doesn't alter the original meaning of the quote.